So I went ahead and thought I've shown you. Okay.
Won't you take me home? Give me with your flight. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in
I
the
trust
castle.
that you guys are doing super wherever you're watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you're viewing me, guys. I want to say, first of all, thank you very much for the tremendous support you guys are showing me by viewing, liking, subscribing. I trust that I cannot do this without you. That's why I'm asking you there watching me, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I've just been saying on all my vlogs that I've posted this week, just do what you gotta do to keep your health, because you'll never be richer than that. Like, health is just priceless. So do what you gotta do, guys, to escape or to just avoid getting an interaction with the COVID-19, and let's hope for a better tomorrow, because everything with a beginning has an end. So with that said, guys, right here is a video. Okay, wait, subscribe. Okay, don't watch me without subscribing. Please subscribe. Yeah, so right here is a video that I did about a week ago, guys, and I focused on a bit of lifestyle, where I showed you what an average furnished apartment in Nairobi, Kenya, specifically in Kileleshwa, looks like and goes for a night. So I went ahead and thought I showed you a furnished house, I should go ahead and show you an unfurnished house still in Nairobi, Kenya, and let's just compare the cost of living in Nairobi, Kenya. That is what we're going to be viewing today. The video is going to be short, guys, but I hope you enjoy. Jump into it.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying.